What's up, guys? It's Kalen B coming at you with another video today. Hope you guys are doing good on this beautiful Tuesday. So today it's not going to be about a how-to video or on my computer or nothing like that. Just, want to give you guys some motivation, a little bit of where I am right now, a little bit of history about who I am, and why should you follow me, okay? Because I know the big question is, I don't care, but why should I care? So I'm only 26 years old, little boy from North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina. Got good grades, great family. Went to North Carolina State University, got my bachelor's degree. Graduated college, got a full-time job working in Joliet, Illinois. I came to Illinois, didn't know nobody. But came here, got a 9-to-5 job. Well, I was actually working third shift as a supervisor in a warehouse, and from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. But after that, I got a job downtown Chicago, and I loved it. I love this job, and it's really good. But while I was doing that, I thought to myself, look, there's got to be more. I love my family. I love family. I'm very big on that. And I'm big on friends, and I'm big on doing what you love and doing stuff that makes you tick and stuff that you're passionate about. And I realized that being in a corporate job, even though you love it, and being being in a warehouse job as a supervisor, it was very limiting. I couldn't really do what I wanted to do when I wanted to do it for however long I do it and still make money. Like, it was very limiting. So I'm like, it's got to be much more. I go this way because there's traffic. So I'm in the outside right here. It's a beautiful day, man. Just want to come out and smell the roses. But then fast forward, after 2014, I graduated high school. I'm in college. I, explore online, making money online, and I explore other ways that I can start my own business and start my own, start whatever I wanted to start to give me more flexibility with time. And so I looked into affiliate marketing. That was in 2014. I joined a course called affiliate marketing, super affiliate marketing. I joined them, but like 5 months after that, I stopped. I wasn't consistent. I didn't really get results because I really didn't start. I just was researching my options and what I could do. Then fast forward to 2016. I looked into more ways to make money online, to make passive income. And then I saw drop shipping. I found drop shipping. I found Amazon FBA, whatever Amazon is called. But I started my own e-commerce store, my own Shopify drop shipping store in the middle of 2016, right? Then I dabbled in that, drop shipping products from AliExpress here and there. Running Facebook ads, which is a lot of money. Like, if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a lot of money. But then after, 2016, I didn't have a lot of results, nothing too impressive. Then 2017, last year, around June, I got into this course, got a mentor, and I found something that was structured, something that could teach me how to be successful in e-commerce, Shopify. So I was focusing on that last year. And when I found this course in 2017, I ended up grossing in revenue $44,000 in Q4 alone last year. Guys, it was amazing. I had my first break with making money online. So I'll show the clip somewhere. I'll show my screenshot of the money I made. So that was in 2017 in the year. But with drop shipping comes customer service. You have your Facebook ads. You have email marketing. What's going on? You have setting up your store. Communication with your vendors, with your suppliers. You have sometimes your supplier does not mail your product direct to your customer. You have returns. You have refunds. You have taxes, which you gotta do taxes either way, whatever business model you have. There's just so many parts that go into drop shipping, e-commerce that I experienced in 2017 that I was like, okay, this is great. You can make a lot of money in this industry, right? But it's got to be something that you can get that's even more passive than drop shipping. Of course, with drop shipping, um, you can get like people from the Philippines to do your administrative work, get a virtual assistant to fill orders, to respond to customers, to issue refunds and exchange product out. You can do all that, but that's an additional cost, and it eats away at your profit margins. So then after 2017, it circles back to what I was doing in 2014, looking at affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing gives you the ability to receive more and higher profit margins, right? Affiliate marketing helps you to be able to have more time. So it's more time, the ability to have more time, the ability to have more profit, and less headache. You don't have to respond to customers unless you have your own product, right? But with affiliate marketing, just straight up affiliate marketing, you don't have to respond to customers. You don't have to, be responsible for making sure that your customers get the goods. You don't have to be responsible for exchanges, returns, refunds, or whatnot. All of this is like systematic. It's all on a autopilot. That's what I look for. It's all on autopilot, guys. And once I found out about the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and this business model, I had to jump on. I don't know what happened in 2014 where I didn't get it. I don't know, just had to go through the process, right? Everyone has their own process and their own pathways. You just have to trust the process and go through it. I keep telling myself, I'm young, I have time, so just take advantage of that time, but take massive action. And that's what I finally learned in 2017. Yes, I didn't think affiliate marketing was good, but in 2017, when I looked at dropshipping, I found out that taking massive action and investing in yourself was like the number one thing to success with making money online or entrepreneurship, period. You have to take the time, you have to trust the process, and you have to invest in yourself, and you have to take massive action. When I got the mentor in 2017 with e-commerce dropshipping, that was one thing, massive action. And I saw my business catapult, I saw my results like take off. You can do it by yourself, but you need somebody to help you out. If you want to see if you want to make your life easier, and if you want to see faster results, you need to get someone who already has what you want, guys, okay? But back to affiliate marketing. So 2017, in the last year, I started with affiliate marketing. A couple of courses, I went from course to course, trying to figure out which one is right for me, which mentor is right, which guy smacks less, or which guy does this the least amount of times. And I found one program, 4%, through one of my mentors, Joshua Elder, one of the guys I look up to and take his teachings on. I got to the 4%, and the 4% really teaches you, like straight up, honestly teaches you 100%, like 100%. Teaches you how you can build your own business, and it shows you how you can build your own business, and step by step. I found this course and I really trust the mentor. His name is Vic Stryjus. Email here. Vic Stryjus, and he's like real. You get those mentors, you get those gurus that try to sell you products and try to tell you need to do this, you need to do that, and you can just tell that they're not authentic, they're not real, and all they want is your money. They don't really want to see you succeed. But with the 4% and Vic, he really wants you to succeed. And so his program for the affiliate marketing and basically creating your own brand and business and internet marketing or even your own brick and mortar store, he really teaches you step by step how to position yourself in the marketplace. If you're doing online marketing or affiliate marketing or internet marketing, whatever you're doing online, he teaches you how to set it up step by step. What funnels you need, what products should you promote, what kind of email marketing you need, like your autoresponders. How should you reinvest in your business? If you don't want to do YouTube, you can do Facebook. How do you do Facebook? How do you do Instagram? How do you get more traffic with different sources? He teaches all of that, guys, and step by step. For the absolute beginner. So here I am, 2017, you know, using affiliate marketing as my my business model. And guys, it is the best. But you have to be consistent. You have to take massive action, and you have to be patient and trust the process. Without that, you really won't see any success. I'm sorry. You won't see any success. You won't see any results, and you'll just still keep doing the same thing over and over again, which is the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting the same results. So guys, I'm telling you right now, affiliate marketing for beginners is wonderful. I won't say it's easy, but just like running a marathon, you just can't run a marathon, or if you have never run a marathon in your life, you can't just go tomorrow and just run a marathon. No, it takes time. Running a marathon, the process and the steps to getting there are easy, but you still have to go through the process. You still have to go through the steps. And like I said, that's what the 4% is teaching me. So with affiliate marketing, number one, what you need to do is find a product. Make sure you believe in that product. Make sure the product is clear, concise, and truthful, and has a lot of integrity. Okay? Find a product. Make sure you know the commission amount that it gives you. If the product's $1,000 and you get 50% commission, you get $500 when you refer someone to that course or that product, whatever. So make sure you gotta find a product. The product is good. You know the commission structure for the product. Number three, you want to build a funnel. Okay, what most people do not do in the affiliate marketing business, where they fail at or where they miss a lot of opportunity at, is when they send their traffic directly to the sales page. You want to create a funnel that will capture the traffic's name and email to send to your autoresponder, your list. Because if you probably heard it, the money is in the list. You want a list, okay? So you got your product, you got your funnel. Use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is easy to use. There'll be a link in the description, a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels for you to use and test it out. If you don't like it, just cancel your membership. But you need to have a funnel if you want to be serious about building an online business, specifically in affiliate marketing, okay? Get the funnel, get the autoresponder. So with that autoresponder, when someone puts their name and email address into the funnel, the autoresponder basically, you set your emails up, it sends them an email instantly. Say, oh, welcome to my list, or welcome to this, or whatever, or introduce yourself and say, hey guys, this, that, and the other. Here's some valuable content that I put out free to your list, and just build that trust, okay? I use Aweber as my autoresponder. You can use Aweber, or you can use GetResponse or Kartra. There's a lot out there. I have Aweber and GetResponse, and down below you can test it out. It's a 14-day free trial for those two. You can take a look at those and see if you like them. If you don't, that's fine. But ClickFunnels for your funnel, to build your funnels. Aweber to build your auto email responder. And then your product, whatever your product is, like my product right now is 4%. Or you can do other programs like Legendary Marketer is really good too, or Super Affiliate Club, that's really good also. Or any from JV Zoo, there's a lot of affiliate programs that you can use. So you have your product, you have your funnel, and you have your autoresponder. Next, what you need to do is figure out what platform you want to get your traffic from. If you want to do social media, you can do social media. If you want to do YouTube, which is part of social media, you can do YouTube. But I'm telling you, video right now is the number one thing. You want to get comfortable on video if you want to succeed online, okay? And then after that, guys, all you do is rinse and repeat. After you have your funnel set up, after you have your autoresponder set up, and after you've picked your traffic choice, focus on that traffic choice. Focus on that and keep putting out daily content, whatever that traffic source is. If it's free, I advise you to do a free traffic source. Whatever it is, just keep adding value and value. After that, everything just on autopilot. You put out a video, links in the description that I already set my autoresponder, my funnel up. Someone registers or clicks on your link, they get added to your list, bam, done. They sign up for the product that you're promoting, bam, commission, done. Easy. While you're sleeping, done. Easy. Guys, I'm telling you, this business model is golden. Golden. then after you get 6-7 months of results, you can start your own course. 6-7 months, you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Go travel the world, see the world, be with your friends, and be with your family. I'm telling you, it's awesome. So today's video, like I said, it was a very laid back. Just just want to talk with you guys, open up and be honest with you guys. If you want to see more videos, I'm going to post daily videos, daily content to offer you value, teaching you how to create the life that you want with online marketing or internet marketing, guys. Okay, so subscribe to this channel. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the valuable content that I'm giving, because I want to show you guys and be open and honest and show you my journey and show you how I've made results and show you the exact same steps so that you can do the same thing and repeat the same thing. So subscribe, like this video, and I want you to comment below something that you're having a problem with. If you've started your business, comment below a topic or area that you want to see more of. I'm going to post more videos just to know where you guys are and what you guys want to see, because this channel is for you and for me to help you. Because Zig Ziglar says, if you can only help a few people get what they want, you'll get what you want. Okay, and so like I said, subscribe, like this video, comment below. All right, peace.